I'm Barb, one of the health coaches at Elevate Textiles. Browning and sauteing protein is a quick, easy, and versatile method of healthy cooking. I'd say about 70% of my daily cooking is done with this method. So I thought I'd show you how to do the basics so that you can make wonderful, delicious, and inexpensive meals for you and your family any night of the week. Now I'm going to be using boneless, skinless chicken breasts. They're high in protein and low in calories. I like to buy them individually frozen so that I can pull them out one at a time, as many as I need, and it's great for somebody who cooks for themselves. They're fast to thaw, fast to cook, and they're not expensive, maybe a little over $1 a piece. So we're going to saute on the stove, and you want to use a heavy bottom pan, fry pan, saute pan, along with a matching lid. And have my heat up to medium-high to high. And then I'm going to add just like 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Olive oil is a heart healthy oil, and it's a staple in my kitchen. So all you want to do is add just enough to cover the bottom of the pan so that the protein doesn't burn. So now that my pan is heated up, I'm simply going to use salt and pepper, which I love these, my chicken breast, and I always have a little bit of chicken broth nearby. You'll see why. And chicken broth is another healthy, staple item in my kitchen. It's low in calories and has a lot of flavor. So anyway, this looks like pretty hot. So I'm gonna put my chicken in there. And then I'll salt and pepper the other side. And we're going to let that cook for about 2 to 3 minutes each side until they're just a little bit golden brown. Okay, I think I'm going to flip them over now. And you can see there's just a little bit of brown going on here. That's all you need. Okay, so now that both sides have been brown, I'm just going to add a little bit of chicken broth, just enough to cover the bottom of the pan again. And I'm going to turn my heat down and cover it. Let that simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, depending on the size of the chicken breast. Okay, it's been about 5 minutes and the chicken is ready to eat. Or by adding seasonings, making sauces, adding pantry items, you can make many different kinds of dishes, all to your liking and unique in their own way. The point is that you're starting with the same cooking method of the protein. Now I'm going to show you my super easy 30-second dish that will make this chicken fabulous. I'm simply going to add balsamic glaze, prepared pesto, and Parmesan cheese. So here we go. I'm just going to drizzle some balsamic glaze on top of the chicken, put a little dollop of pesto on each breast, and top it with some Parmesan cheese. And you're done. Well, I hope I've shown you that healthy cooking can be easy, fast, inexpensive, and let me tell you, delicious. Now, of course, you want to balance your meal out with maybe 1 serving of fibrous starch and lots of vegetables. In fact, often I will cook the vegetables right in with the protein. So I hope you will give it a try. And I like to tell people, you know, really, what's the worst that could happen? Well, thank you for watching.